In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code or barcode in Microsoft Word in just 10 seconds. Whether you're making a flyer, invitation, or product label, adding a QR code or barcode can make your document more interactive and professional. Let's jump right in. First, open your Microsoft Word document. Place your cursor where you want the QR code or barcode to appear. Next, go to the Home tab at the top of the Word window. Click on the Get Add-ins or Office Add-ins button, depending on your version of Word. This will open the Office Add-ins store. In the search bar, type QR code or barcode. You'll see several free add-ins available. Select one that fits your needs and click Add to install it in Word. Once the add-in is installed, it will appear in your Insert menu. Click on it, enter the information you want to encode, like a URL, text, or numbers, and the QR code or barcode will be generated instantly right in your document. And just like that, in under 10 seconds, you have a fully functional QR code or barcode in your Word file, ready for printing or sharing digitally. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell for more quick Microsoft Word tips and tricks.